Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are gonna be making some Chinese broccoli called gailan or gailan. I might be pronouncing it wrong. So let's get started. In here we have flavored oil, which is my favorite thing to start stir fries with. Onion, garlic, spring onion or scallion. I have 2 tablespoons in here. Okay. The Chinese broccoli, like the regular, like the other broccoli, have a tougher stem. So we are gonna start cooking that first. It already smells quite nice. If you wanted to, you could basically just add this seasoning mix, which I have a recipe for on the channel. The flavored oil, the ginger garlic flavored oil. And that's it. Like, keep it nice and simple like this. But I am going to change the profile of this recipe because I've already had a similar product. Yesterday I tried to eat as many dark green leafy vegetable as I can. That means at least daily, a couple of cups. Okay, I'm just gonna add water to sort of steam it a little bit. Not too much water though, because the stem hold a lot of water in them. They're mostly water and fiber, this vegetable, which is why it's good for you. This Chinese vegetable is quite common. You could find it almost anywhere, including Walmart. It's as popular as yu choy or choy sum, and this is gailan, and the other one is baby bok choy. So those 3 vegetables, dark green leafy vegetable, you tend to find them in your regular market. Okay. I'm gonna add to it, this is an all-purpose seasoning. It's my own blend. It's got onion, garlic, ginger, thyme, parsley, paprika. No, not paprika. One of the mixtures I add paprika to it, and some I don't. This one does not have the paprika in it, but other than that, it's onion, garlic, ginger, thyme, parsley. More water. Building flavor. Ooh, the seasoning, the dry seasoning is soaking it up. Okay. Next, I'm gonna add, this is optional. This is hoisin sauce. So this is basically Chinese barbecue sauce. So just a tablespoon. I don't want to add too much because it's got cornstarch and other starch in here. Yeah, it's made with cornstarch, a sweet potato starch. So and like all barbecue sauce, there's sugar in this. Also to this mixture, this is a commercial hot sauce for both flavor and heat. You could always add just the pepper itself, like the chili or Scotch bonnet pepper or jalapeno peppers. You can just chop it up and put it in here if you want it. Okay, the stems are not bad now. So I'm going to add the leaf portion to this mixture. Oh, forgot a stem. It's all good. A little bit more water to keep it from sticking. You can, of course, stop the cooking process right here where the vegetables are nice and green and just lightly wilted. But I like mine a little softer. Because this package, I have to say, the plant was pretty mature. Because if you can't, I don't know if you can see it here, but it was to the point of flowering. And the stem is, the flower is pretty yellow. So. A bit more water. Keep it from sticking. Of course, if you want, when you're ready to serve this, you could always serve it with more hoisin sauce on the side, which is the Chinese barbecue sauce. Of course, you don't really have to cut these vegetables into pieces. You could have also left them whole, which is kind of pretty. And that's pretty much how you tend to see them in Asian restaurants. No wasting over here. And there you have it. Chinese broccoli. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. You can serve this with rice, sweet potato. You can eat it by itself with more other vegetables. And there you have it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.